We often extend compassion and forgiveness to others with an open heart, yet when it comes to ourselves, we build walls. We find it far easier to forgive a friend for a misstep than to grant ourselves the same grace for our own. This internal judgment can be the harshest of all, a constant, quiet critic that replays our perceived failures on a loop, keeping us tethered to a past we cannot change. Carrying this guilt is like dragging a heavy, invisible chain. With every step, you feel its weight, a constant reminder of what was. It anchors you to regret, preventing you from moving forward into the light of the present. But you must remember, you are the one holding the chain. You have the power to let it go. The journey begins with a single courageous choice. The first step is to acknowledge. Turn towards the memory, not away from it. Look at your actions with honesty, without the harsh filter of shame. Write it down, speak it aloud in a quiet room. Acknowledge the pain you caused to others or to yourself. This isn't about punishment. It's about seeing the truth clearly so you can begin to heal it. You made a mistake. Yes. Say it. Feel it. Now, accept. Accept the person you were in that moment. You did what you knew with what you had. We are all imperfect beings, navigating life with incomplete maps. Perhaps you were driven by fear, by ignorance, or by a younger version of yourself who hadn't yet learned the lessons you know today. Accept this human fallibility. It is not an excuse, but an explanation rooted in compassion. From acceptance, we learn. Every mistake holds a lesson in its core. Ask yourself, what did this experience teach me about my values? What will I do differently next time? This transforms regret into wisdom. The past becomes not a source of shame, but a teacher that has shaped you into a more aware, more empathetic person. This is how we grow, and then you release. Self-forgiveness isn't about forgetting. It's about consciously choosing to release the emotional weight. It's about accepting, learning, and finally, choosing peace over punishment. Visualize that heavy chain dissolving. Feel the lightness in your spirit as you let go of the burden you were never meant to carry forever. You deserve your own forgiveness. Finally, reaffirm your worth. Reaffirm your commitment to living with intention and kindness, especially towards yourself. You are not defined by your worst moments. You are a collection of all your moments, the beautiful, the difficult, and the transformative. Healing is not a destination but a practice, and it always starts with you.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.